Ever wonder how to stay motivated throughout the day with the help of nature? Well, imagine harnessing the power of unique, vibrant crystals to boost your daily motivation. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Crystals have been used for centuries across different cultures, revered for their believed healing and energizing properties. From the ancient Egyptians to the Chinese to the Native American tribes, these cultures have held a deep respect for the power of crystals. Fast forward to today, and science is starting to explore these claims. Researchers are delving into the world of crystals, examining their potential benefits and adding an extra layer of interest and validity to this topic. Crystals aren't just pretty to look at, they might also pack a punch when it comes to enhancing our daily motivation. So, how exactly do these beautiful stones help us stay motivated? Stay tuned to find out. When we talk about crystals, we're not referring to one kind, but a whole spectrum of diverse stones, each with unique properties. Amethyst is the first crystal we'll explore. This stunning violet-hued gem is often associated with calmness and tranquility. When life's stormy seas make you feel like you're losing your footing, amethyst can serve as an anchor, providing a sense of peace and stability. Next, let's discuss rose quartz, otherwise known as the stone of love. But it's not just about romantic love. Rose quartz promotes all forms of love: self-love, family love, platonic love, and unconditional love. It encourages empathy, reconciliation, and forgiveness of others, lowering stress and tension in the heart. Moving on to citrine, often called the merchant's stone. It's believed to help manifest abundance and prosperity, but also to assist in mental and emotional clarity. If you're looking to manifest your dreams or need help with decision-making, citrine might just be your crystal ally. Clear quartz, also known as the master healer, is another gem worth mentioning. It's believed to amplify energy and thought, as well as the effect of other crystals. It's said to bring clarity to your communication and to help you think more clearly about your life. Finally, we have black tourmaline, a protective stone that is said to repel and block negative energies and psychic attacks. It's also known to cleanse, purify, and transform dense energy into a lighter vibration. Each of these crystals offers unique benefits and can be used in a variety of ways. You might choose to carry them with you, place them in your home or office, or even meditate with them. Experiment with what feels right for you, and remember, the most important thing is your intention. Now that we know a bit more about these crystals, how can we use them to boost our motivation? Harnessing the power of these crystals is simpler than you might think. Incorporating crystals into your everyday life can be as easy as carrying them in your pocket. You see, crystals are not just objects of beauty, they're powerhouses of energy waiting to be tapped into. When you carry a crystal in your pocket, it serves as a constant reminder of the energy you're trying to harness and the intention you've set. Place your crystal on your work desk to create a space of positivity and motivation. As you work, the crystal's energy can help you stay focused and driven. Think of it as your personal cheerleader, continually rooting for you. Using crystals during meditation can be incredibly powerful as well. As you meditate, hold your crystal in your hand, feel its energy, its vibrations. This can help anchor your mind, making your meditation sessions more effective. And during moments of stress, just holding your crystal can make a world of difference. Feel the coolness of the crystal, its weight in your hand. It's a tangible reminder that this moment too shall pass. The key to all of this, however, is setting an intention for your crystal. You guide its energy towards what you want to achieve. This intention setting is a powerful act of self-affirmation, a way of telling yourself that you are capable, you are strong, and you can achieve what you set out to do. And that's how these beautiful pieces of earth can help us stay motivated. So, we've learned about the power of crystals and how to use them to stay motivated. From amethyst to citrine, each crystal carries its own unique energy that can help bolster your day. Remember, setting an intention for each stone is crucial. Incorporating crystals into your daily routine can be as simple as carrying one in your pocket or placing it on your workspace. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Remember, motivation is just a crystal away.